Hey guys, how are you doing? I'm Lázaro Meira and I'm thrilled to be here with you today. Let me introduce myself. I'm a TESOL certified teacher with 21 years of experience teaching English to students all over the world. I've worked with learners of all ages and levels, and I pride myself on being a friendly and attentive listener. My expertise covers a wide range of areas. For example, do you love conversation classes? I'm your go to person. We can chat about any topic that interests you. Need to boost your business English? I've got you covered with vocabulary for meetings, negotiations, networking, presentations, and more. And guess what? I'm also an expert in TOEFL and other proficiency exams. Many of my students have achieved their target scores, and I'd love to help you do the same. What sets me apart? Well, my students often tell me that our classes feel like talking to a supportive friend or even a therapist. I like to create a comfortable, judgment free zone where you can express yourself freely in English. Whether you're looking to improve your conversation skills, ace that important presentation, or nail your TOEFL exam, I'm here to listen, to guide, and to help you succeed. So, what are you waiting for? Book a class with me and let's start your English journey together. I'm excited to meet you and help you achieve your language goals. See you soon.